Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about technology and how it shapes our world, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. How does explainable AI support trust? This is a critical area of discussion, especially as artificial intelligence continues to be integrated into various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to finance and beyond. But before we dive deep, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt uneasy about a decision made by a machine? Maybe it was a loan application you were denied or a medical diagnosis suggested by an AI tool. If so, you're not alone. Trust in AI systems is a growing concern, and explainable AI is here to help bridge that gap. So, what exactly is explainable AI, and how does it enhance our trust in these complex systems? Let's break it down. First off, let's define explainable AI, often abbreviated as XAI. In simple terms, explainable AI refers to methods and techniques in artificial intelligence that allow humans to understand and trust the decisions made by AI systems. Traditional AI models, especially deep learning algorithms, often act as black boxes. We input data and they churn out results, but we don't always know how those results were derived. For example, imagine an AI system designed to evaluate loan applications. If someone is denied a loan, the applicant might wonder why. Was it their credit score? Their income? Without an explanation, that uncertainty can lead to frustration and distrust. Here's where explainable AI shines. By providing insights into the decision-making process, applicants can understand the reasoning behind the outcome. For instance, XAI can highlight specific factors that influence the decision, like credit history or outstanding debts. This transparency fosters trust. When people feel informed about how decisions are made, they're more likely to accept and trust those decisions. Now, let's look at another example: healthcare. AI is increasingly used in diagnosing diseases or recommending treatments. Imagine a patient receiving a diagnosis from an AI system. If that diagnosis is explained, perhaps detailing how certain symptoms, lab results, and historical data were analyzed, patients are more likely to trust the AI's recommendation. Research supports this idea. A study from the Journal of Medical Internet Research found that patients who received explanations of AI-generated diagnoses were significantly more likely to trust the AI's recommendations compared to those who did not receive any explanations. But it's not just about individual decisions. Explainable AI also enhances accountability within organizations. For instance, when companies deploy AI in hiring processes, they must ensure that their models are fair and unbiased. By employing XAI, organizations can review the decision-making process, identify potential biases, and make necessary adjustments. This not only helps in building trust with candidates, but also ensures compliance with ethical standards. Another critical aspect of explainable AI is its role in regulatory compliance. As governments and regulatory bodies begin to establish guidelines for AI use, transparency becomes paramount. For example, the European Union is working on legislation that mandates transparency in AI operations. Organizations that adopt explainable AI principles will find it easier to adhere to these regulations, further enhancing trust among users and stakeholders. Now, let's talk about the emotional side of trust. When people feel a connection with technology, when they understand it, they're more likely to embrace it. Explainable AI can help create that emotional bond. By making AI systems more interpretable and relatable, users can develop a sense of confidence in the technology. Finally, let's not forget about the role of education. As more people become familiar with AI and its capabilities, the demand for explainability will grow. Organizations that prioritize explainable AI will not only improve their own trustworthiness but also contribute to a more informed society. This creates a cycle of continuous improvement in AI technologies that benefit everyone. So, to wrap it all up, explainable AI is not just a technical requirement, it's a fundamental necessity for building trust in AI systems. By providing clarity on how decisions are made, organizations can foster confidence, accountability, and ethical practices. Whether it's in finance, healthcare, or any other field, embracing explainable AI paves the way for a future where humans and machines collaborate seamlessly. If you found today's discussion enlightening, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you had experiences with AI that left you feeling uncertain? We'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. Until next time, stay curious